Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to our first lesson on nonfiction text features. So nonfiction, that means that the stories and articles are true stories. As you are going through the video, be sure to open up your guided notes and complete them as you're watching the video. So here is the guided notes, and the wording that you find on the left-hand side is the same wording that you'll see in the video along with the same picture, and you just need to pay attention in the video for the word or words that will finish those lines. So why are text features important? Text features help a reader to quickly identify important information. They teach the reader about a topic, and they can help the reader answer questions about a topic or a text that they are reading. So the text features of nonfiction help you find information more easily. And here's the first group of text features that we're going to visit in this lesson. The first one is the appendix, followed by table of contents, the index, the glossary, and the electronic menu. So first, let's look at the appendix. The appendix is a section at the back of the book or document that gives additional information. Here's a great example on the right of an appendix. This section of the text will give the reader an opportunity to learn more about the subject. And it may list additional resources such as other texts that you can be reading, websites that you can be visiting, or videos that you can watch. And this section can be very helpful when you're doing research projects because you can then find more information about that specific topic. The next section we're going to look at is the table of contents. This is a list that shows the major parts of the book and the page numbers. So if you look at the example here on the left-hand side, this is our table of contents for a book about different types of plants. And the first section is flowers, and you would find it on page 3. Vegetables you would find on page 9, and so on. So a table of contents shows you how the book is organized so you can find the information more easily. You don't need to read the book in order. That's the greatest thing about nonfiction is you can go to different sections based on what you're looking for. The heading titles give the reader an outline of what the book is about. So here are our heading titles, and it gives you the idea that we're going to learn about flowers and vegetables, fruits and trees. Next is the index. The index is an alphabetical listing of the key terms with page numbers. So it's listed in alphabetical order, and this is typically found in the back of the book. For example, this index on our slide shows butterfly as one of our sections, and on page 10 you can find the butterfly's food. On page 7 you can find the life cycle, and on page 12 you can find different types of butterflies. But then on page 6 we have a new section for caterpillars. An index is found at or near the end of the text. And it's a quick way to find information that's in the text. The reader can use keywords or people's names to help them locate information in the text. And it gives you the page number where you can find that information. The next feature we're going to look at is the glossary. This is an alphabetical list of important terms and definitions. This is the dictionary of the book that you are looking at. So a glossary is a fancy word for dictionary, but we can't use the word dictionary because it's only the words from that book. So this is where glossary takes over for the word dictionary, but they mean pretty much the same thing. It will give you a word and then the definition. So a glossary is like a small dictionary of words. It tells you or shows you what words mean. And they're always listed in alphabetical order, and they're in the back of the book typically. The next section and last section that we're going to visit today is an electronic menu. And this is a list of things that you can choose from to do on the computer. So as you can see, this example on the left-hand side here is Starfall, which is a computer program. And this is our electronic menu for this program. So if I were to click on this first one, this would take me to 3 little plays. The next one would give me the section on fiction and nonfiction. But if I was wondering about Greek myths or wanted to do something with Greek myths, I would click down here. So an electronic menu gives you an option, just like the menu at your favorite place to eat. An electronic menu lists all of your options, and it helps the user know what's on that computer or website. And finally, an electronic menu helps you navigate or find your way around a program or website. So again, don't forget to fill out your guided notes, and that's the end of lesson 1.